Recently, we showed you 3 detox juices and talked about why it is important to detox the body. Did you watch it? In today's video, you will learn how to make a detox juice that, besides cleansing your body, will give you more energy for the day and also boost your immune system. Write down the ingredients and learn a little more about their benefits. 1 glass fresh coconut water, a good option for your hydration. 2 collard greens leaves without the stems. Collard greens are rich in nutrients essential for proper body functioning. They eliminate toxins from the body, fight bloating, and improve the appearance of the skin. Great, right? 1 ginger slice. It helps detox the body and improve digestion. Collard greens and ginger boost the metabolism and favor body fat burn. 1/2 cup mint leaves. Mint is part of natural medicine. One of its benefits is its ability to strengthen the brain by improving cognition. Mint also prevents oxidative stress, improving memory. 1/2 celery stalk. It has diuretic properties and helps the liver eliminate the built-up toxins. 1/2 apple. This fruit is great to reduce blood pressure, improve brain function, reduce the risk of diabetes, help with constipation, prevent cancer, fight asthma, prevent cavities, improve immunity and bone health, lessen stomach issues, prevent eye diseases, and slow the aging process. Isn't it all amazing? 1 lemon. When combined with collard greens, lemon helps with intestinal cleansing, contributing to weight loss and body detox. 1/4 cucumber. Rich in water, cucumber is widely used in detox recipes for being a source of fiber, potassium, and other substances. It also helps stop bloating and is good for the skin, hair, and nails. 1/4 ripe melon, no seeds and rinds. Melon has lots of water, vitamins, and minerals. These substances aid in hydration, weight loss, and can even prevent heart diseases and premature aging. The fruit also has calming, diuretic, fortifying, and laxative properties. Isn't it incredible? 1/4 cup basil leaves. Besides being aromatic, basil helps regulate blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, cleanses the blood, detoxes the body, lowers blood sugar levels, lessens anxiety, and prevents cancer, while being a powerful anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial. 1 coffee spoon guarana powder, optional. Ice to taste. Directions: thoroughly wash all ingredients. Roughly chop the ingredients to make them easier to combine in the blender. Blend for 40 seconds. Strain and drink. You can drink a big glass of this juice in the morning after waking up. Now that you know how to make a detox juice that not only detoxes but also improves your energy levels and immunity, try it and share your opinion with us in the comments below.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.